the trick here, yes, is to play the ball early, ne? But we need to have proper movement. You can't have two players running there, like it. They win the ball there, ne? I don't think this was offside. I don't think this was offside, but I understand why linesman are offside, because he's not in line. Firstly, with he's worried about this guy, but the first priority, the first danger is this guy here. Worry about him. Who said the ball is gonna come here to this guy? But now, if you go inside, you don't win the ball. We are in trouble. Let this man trap the ball. Move. It's simple. You don't win the ball. Now they go. The answer is no. Watch. Baya pressala. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 against 5. Okay, la nyam minus, but it's 4 against 5. Simple maths. You can't win. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Coach Atazwane needs to change his tactics. He's never beaten the Sundowns, not even Guy 1, right? Remember the Sundowns 5, Amazulu 2. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. I'm going to show you why Amazulu is Sundowns. Just small little tweaking that they need to do. Great game by Sundowns. Beautiful. The pitch plays a part in how Sundowns plays. When they play Lucas Muripe, the pitch is not great. Like, let's start. Like we always do, we start with information, how both teams were set up. Amazulu, they don't change. It's a 5-2-3. Sometimes it becomes a 3-4-3, and it just depends where the ball is. Sundowns, it's a 4-2-3-1, and it's sharp. Now, this is Amazulu. Amazulu, they press with the front three. Then they have a double pivot. So they play with wing backs, not full backs, wing backs, because it's a 5, and this is the guy who is on the right hand side. Jab. What is Sundowns knew Uguti Amazulu, they play with a 3, so they needed to have 3 set defenders. And who is this? The right back. He would sit back just in case if we lose the ball here. Then, in case if they lose the ball, they still have 3 at the back. Sharp. Now, what does this guy do? He goes back. These are the 2 double pivot. Now, Sundowns, what they needed to do is to exploit the spaces that the Amazulu gives. I'll show you those spaces. I'm still showing you a setup of both teams, and it's sharp. Ball goes back. Now, obviously, this guy will always press and go back into the position. Sharp. So now the spaces that Amazulu gives you, Gula. And it's the 3 here up front. These are the 2 midfielders. And now the spaces Ezila. Just here, that's the space that Sundowns needs to occupy, just like that. But now, Bayenzani, Abuyele move, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 here. The space is in here, but I'll show you the first goal. The first goal. Sundowns. They exploited the space in here. Now it's clear this is how Amazulu plays, and it shouldn't be like this. If the ball is here, at least this guy needs to push up. We can't be giving them time and space. We need to be aggressive. Yeah, it's okay. This guy can stay there, or we can even push him. Nala sim push angithi. But because these guys, they work a lot because they need to cover ispace kakhulu. Game plan ye-Amazulu, right? Remember what I said, ukuthi sometimes the formation ye-Amazulu, it becomes a 4-3-3, angithi sharp. Here it's a 4-3-3. Now, watch. Sundowns is going to lose the ball. Game plan ye-Amazulu, it's always the same when they play against the Sundowns. It's to play the ball behind. Ne? But now we need to be smart. It does not mean good every time when we get the ball, let's cross. No, it doesn't mean good every time we need to cross. We need to is there space before we cross. Another example, right? Sometimes the trick here, yes, is to play the ball early, ne? But we need to have proper movement. You can't have two players running there. Now this guy was substituted first half, ne? What as one was complaining with this guy, he was not playing the balls quick enough and it's sharp. Even the movement as well, ne? Now the guy gets the ball. This guy is not, for me, you are not supposed to move into the middle. And it's into the middle. And it's by three, right? By three. So one of them, they always need to make their runs wide. Then there must always be a guy who's going to be in the middle. If you look at Ution is always in the middle. The golden arrow striker is always in the middle. Then you'll have these other two. Runs there. So even this guy here, he was supposed to move out wide, move enzansi, and it because Undlovu Sundowns is here, and you spread the pitch. If you spread the pitch, then you become more dangerous. So as soon as this guy gets the ball, the forward Amazulu even wide, so that it's easy for him to get the ball. But now we has Valela space la. That's the small trick Amazulu engayitholi. That's why they can't beat the Sundowns. Final clip, Amazulu gameplay Amazulu. They win the ball there, ne? I don't think this was offside. I don't think this was offside, but I understand why linesman are offside, because he's not in line firstly with the Sundowns defender, and the only player I bonayo kala ile Amazulu, right? I don't think this was offside, but now the finishing. Now the trick here, right, is always play the ball wide first, right? There's no need for him to pass the ball in here. To play the ball pakat nendao, there's no need. Play the ball to this guy there. He's fast. Play the ball there, right? The first trick, Sundowns, if you want to beat them, is always to play the ball wide, and you spread them. Or if you're gonna play it inside, you play it inside, then you play it wide, then you cross it. But if you want to play the ball pakat nendao first time, there's a reason why you go and buy a top striker with millions of friends. Millions of friends. Now, go listen down, Steve. Sharp. Now, remember what I said. The spaces. And it's this guy, bayam donta. Ne? Gu spaces izovulega la. Spaces yavulega na la. And it's sharp. Let's go. Watch what happens. Bayasibona le space. Pagat. Inside. Football is a game of small margins. Just that small space that Amazulu against the Sundowns. Bavene bayenzani. Yes, ball blockile, but the shot that Tumaulula took, ball blockile. But had Amazulu blocked that space, it was going to be difficult for Sundowns to score in that moment. Second half. First half, it was too tactical. Amazulu, they were too defensive. Let me say too defensive, right? Even though Coach Atazwani said something else here, sharp, because they didn't even have a shot on target or shot at goal. First half, okay, sharp. Second half, they were more aggressive. They wanted to go. It's always nice to see teams when they want to go pound for pound with big teams. But at the end, we know Gucci wins the in. Now let me come this side. Now the first, you just miss the restart of the game by a minute. We game so we 2-1. Hey, sharp. The defending here, ball goes there. I'm gonna play it back. I'm gonna play it and then play it back. Yes, it's one might say it's unfortunate, but now you as a centre back, these are the two centre backs here. If Ukekana is picking up the striker, now you need to cover him. It's that simple. You don't have to be worrying about someone someone who is there. When you first need your first priority is to cover your teammate here. He's worried about this guy, but the first priority, the first danger is this guy here. Worry about him. Who said the ball is gonna come here to this guy? Because they just play the ball here. When you are still focusing on this guy, watch. Had he been in a better position, if he was here, he was going to clear the ball. But because he was too focused, the ball is there. He's too focused on this guy, not covering his center back partner. Football is a game of what? We ask. Take goal is Sundowns. And it. Sundowns gets the ball here. Now, where is the space? The space is here. And it. He le 3 abu pambi. And it sharp. The space is where? The space is there. Watch what happens. Ball goes there. Why do you do that? Why do you do that? As a centre back, I understand. Why do you want to win the ball back? Yes, I understand that right? But now, if you go inside, you don't win the ball. We are in trouble. Let this man trap the ball. Move. It's simple. You don't win the ball. Now they go forward. Yes, the goalkeeper made a mistake. Yes, the goalkeeper made a mistake, but small margins. Instead of your blocker at the back of this guy, when you try to poke the ball, now they go and attack. Ronwen Williams can be frustrating at times. I know the Sundowns supporters Baba frustrated, but people need to realize why he plays Sundowns. What did the Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper do? Now this is why Ronwen plays. The keeper idlala i-1-2 now. Yes, there he was lucky, right? But you have a keeper that plays i-1-2. Then look what happens. Sundowns say Pumil. For me here, Matthews could have played Undlovu with the ball. Not here. He should have played the ball here. Because Undlovu was running and it's sharp. But now, what I'm trying to say is the importance, if you want to play the ball from the back, you need to have a smart goalkeeper who's comfortable, and you need to teach him why you are playing the ball from the back. Pressing. Because first half, Benidala deep. Amazulu was playing deep. Now second half, you have to press. Did you teach your players how to press? The answer is no. Watch. Baya press ala. Now, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 against 5. Okay, nyam minus, but it's 4 against 5. Simple maths. You can't win, especially if they have a goalkeeper also, right? Watch. Yeah, so simple. This was a beautiful pass. Oh, Beautiful pass. Beautiful goal. You just because now sesiyadliwa, like now we are pressing. It means ukuthi at training we have to practice Zoitu. We have to practice playing from deep. Then we have to practice pressing them. But it doesn't look like ukuthi iAmazulu I practice it. And this keeper is starting to be suspect for me. Ne? Most keepers vela goalkeeper bakudala. You have to use your feet. La, he could have used his feet. But ufuna ukulala. Angithi ibhola liyeza. Why don't you use your feet? Ukuthi uvimbe ngezandla or ngeenyawo. The save is safe. Goal number 2 eli Amazulu. Rowan here could have done better. Maybe he was supposed to do an ofori. Aphume achayisa abantu. Ne? Long ball. Phakathi inside. Should have done better. Phuma uchayisa abantu mfana kithi. Be decisive. Now, I'm gonna start it here. I just want you to watch here. I mean, what? Let me take it back. Remote ayisebenzi manje. Now, ball goes there. Watch here. Ukoza tries to play an offside trap. These two, what are they doing? These two, they are going there. Ukoza uyenzani? He comes inside, trying to play an offside trap. Don't play offside trap. Let it happen organically. Oh, it's long. Organically. Amazulu yenzani? They play a long ball. Your job is to always cover your partner, whoever is on this side. But you didn't do that. And because you wanted to play an offside trap, now you can't cover the player that's this side. Yes, umukwena lana, and then this is Ukeka. Because you wanted to play your offside trap, now you can't cover. And it sharp. Williams wenzani naye? Hey, akisibe wesang. Utwara mfana githi. Okay, sharp. Let's give credit to this guy by jumping and just touching the ball. But the small thing, there was the center Ukoza, right? By him trying to play an offside trap, I don't understand these center backs bangafuna cover each other. I understand. When we press, we have to press as a team. I don't know half year press. Like you look at these four, but proceed. Then laba abanye baku, look at the space in here. Sizolibona kanjani ibhola? The other one joins. Bekuzwane uyi1 la. Angithi sharp. Siyapressa. But now look again. Look at these players here and then ubheke lapha. Suka. Sundowns yenzeni? Iphumile. So simple. We have to press as a team. If you don't press as a team, you have to give space at the back, not in the middle. This was a brilliant move. This was a brilliant goal. This was not offside. These linesmen, these linesmen. Watch here. The ball is already left his feet. You can see. But now the problem, you look at where the linesman is. He's close to this line, but look at the last defender. You understand? Linesman yeah. This was a beautiful move. Robert. Final clip bese ngiyayivala. I don't think uThemba Zwane uzokora igoli. Maybe he wants to score a goal bese retire because the finishing. Sundowns playing out from the back. Nga, pa. Amazulu almost won it there. Anilwinanga, press again. Too much space. Mayivalekile, what do? You keep it, you rotate it. You have to be patient. One. Bafethu. But now let's finish again. Aish. It has always been a problem yakazwana. But I say to you, look at even Utito, the guys from Etembis. I understand why bangakhona shy short. I don't get it. But it's okay. I get it. Please like, please share, please subscribe. You get it? Please like, please share, please subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Ngiyabonga.